Hello, I'm Robin from Electrical Experience, and today we're going to look at Toshiba's fabulous 46WL863. This is Toshiba's WL863 and 46-inch guys. A beautifully stylish TV set designed by a chap called Jacob Jensen. Bit of a mouthful, but he obviously knows what he's doing. It's a beautiful, sleek, minimalist design, I suppose. You know, no embellishments on it. Just draws you to the picture. A great looking TV set. Basic features, obviously it's full HD or 1080p. 7 million to 1 native contrast. So 400Hz video scanning on it. Supports 24p for perfect or accurate showing off Blu-rays like the one we've got on today. Intelligent sensor built into it, so it adapts itself to ambient light situations to give you the best possible picture quality. Just a sumptuous design, a great piece of kit. Here's just a brief overview of some of the smart bits it's got built into it. If you look, very logically laid out, very easily read. Some very clever pieces of kit. You've got your catch-up TV, so with this particular thing you've got iPlayer, Ace Tracks, Deezer, Live Sport, which is like a sports website which gives you the latest news, bits and pieces like that. You can go into Social Place, which is sound. It's Facebook, Twitter. You can bookmark various pages. You can do an awful lot with it. Just a really, really well thought out design. And it's even got basic games built into it. Keeps the kids happy and stuff like that. Even keeps us adults happy sometimes. There's some belters in there. But a really, really, I can't fault the thing. It's just a wonderful television set. All in all, a great design. It will look beautiful anywhere on the wall, on a nice cabinet, whatever. Fantastic specification. It's got all the latest toys and gadgets in it. So you've got 3D, you've got fully smart, as we've covered here. You know, it's got everything. You know, just a brilliant television set. Has massive connectivity. There's 4 HDMI sockets, one of which supports ARC or audio return control for connectivity to home theatre systems. Cuts down on all the cables that you need for the back of your TV set. 2 USB inputs ready for various media devices, hard disk recorders, or just playback photographs using it as a giant photo frame. Component video input, even an RGB SCART and a PC input for use with a proper old-fashioned computer system if you like as well. Set's also set up for major gaming on it as well. It's got a specific game mode which reduces the intensity of certain settings and switches off a lot of the video processing to reduce input lag, which makes for very, very, very good gaming. It's an active 3D set, doesn't ship with any glasses, but you know it's there if you need them. Wireless internet capability as well, so a great smart portal called Toshiba Places. Supports iPlayer, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. You can buy an optional Skype camera for it. A lot of stuff, it really is. You can scratch the surface on it. One of the nice features I like on the TV set, if you look quickly, massive adjustability for the picture. Go to the advanced settings, and as you can see, you've got things like base colour adjustment for calibration controls. You can adjust the LED backlight control on it as well to give you beautiful black levels. Just an awful lot of adjustability. Also with a nice little feature, if you get it all wrong, you'll drop all the way to the bottom and you can reset it. So you can get it back to how it came out of the box. So you can have a good mess about with it. But a great television set. You know, genuinely, I can't fault this thing. For the money, I think it's wonderful value. We'll have a quick look at the WL863's input array on the back panel. Start at the bottom left hand, we've got the aerial inputs for the for Freeview HD and for the FreeSat HD tuners. As I said earlier, as long as you can get it connected to a dish or a good aerial, you've got high definition sources, you know, TV programs without any problems at all. LAN input, if you can wire it to a local hub via an Ethernet cable, it's always better than the wireless connection built into the TV set. But you know, it works well both ways. Slot for the SCART adapter, which is supplied. Next to it you've got a slot for the PC input, a proper old-fashioned RGB 15-pin D sub, and you get that adapter with it as well, with the corresponding audio input as well. HDMI underneath here, as well as 3 around this side here. One of them supports ARC, which is essential these days. Modern audio home theatre systems and home theatre receivers rely on ARC to give you control and return the audio from the TV set back to the amplifier with a minimum of cable mess on the back of the TV. 2 little plugs here, that's for the component video input. Again, that adapter is supplied. You've got 2 USB sockets, strongly the common interface unit for paid TV services. Above that, a digital audio out, or an optical as most people know it. So again, if you've got an older home theatre receiver or home theatre system, you can run optical and get your digital 5.1 surround if it's broadcast. And above that, a proper old-fashioned headphone socket. So pretty well stocked.